assured.
I did catch her for a
She's
bit.
running out of patience with her. Hello and welcome to the Smiley Kitchen.
Right.
Did they really put the pot onto the simmering stove to burn down the whole of the place?
Yes.
Capoeira, was that you?
Yes.
All right, so being at home for school over the last couple of months, the kids could use a creative pick-me-up to start the day. So, Daly and I are going to toast up 2 fun breakfast ideas.
That's right. Yes.
You know it's going to be good, right?
Yes. Let's see what we're making. I get the fish-shaped toast, and Simone's gonna do the bear toast.
Beer toast?
Bear toast. I'm doing the shark doing the
so
shark.
So why me couldn't get the fish?
Doing okay. Simone, see a beer there now?
Why beer no looks so
Let me see about the fish again. Come back to the fish again.
Really, you're good for that. Let us see the bear again once more time. I don't need to toast my bread really.
I get the strange feeling. So the pan already has some.
You burn your hand.
Things
Put him over
in it.
Can my toast bread fit over the other side?
Yes. So while that is happening, in lieu of the orange, I have pineapple. Let I see that picture. Prince, I need the picture as a point of reference. I want to cut the pineapple, but it's got a little. May I look at it? But looking at it, not helping me.
I couldn't find what orange give you. Can I see the nether one?
It not help me. No, not touch it, yeah.
It's a bundle, Harris.
Your own.
Boy.
Your own.
No, why? It's who's on the stove. And high, Captain Toast bread. You mind
the fish have a little curve, but we have tongue.
Please, if I can see the bear again. I know he have a eye. Did he have a mouth?
You see, the thing with the orange was, the orange already have a shape.
Can I see back him, Prince?
The orange already have a shape.
Prince in there? Well, I continue to eat off my
have that shape.
Oh, so 3 of those.
The orange already have a shape, Cadine.
Okay. Banana is very nice. Thanks, Cad.
Simone.
It's a regular thing.
Well, it's a shark. May I make so? What may I do?
Baby shark, do. We don't have a disposal area for our pot.
Me see it. It not help me.
Man, you burn your finger, miss. Jesus. Thank you, Cap. Cap, mess up the bread then. It's the end. Alright. This bread has suffered enough in this pan. Safe at last.
Italian, but me need to see that the picture the 20 million times.
This eye look very. Can I see about the bear? Prince?
Me tell you, so we have to see this something 20 million times.
Yeah, we need it as a point of reference, please. Because my bare eyes were too small.
We know, darling.
It's the end. I think this man is too small for these eyes that you wanted me to create. I'm trying to work with it anyway.
Prince, I put back the fish now, no?
Safe at last.
Come and know something now, go right.
Well, okay, I need to turn over this bread because if I put this eye in there,
one for the on top of the fish.
You don't gonna see the eye.
And then
it burn
what
up.
is that on top of the fish? Banana and an eye. Where the black eye there gonna come from?
Can I see the bear?
Simone, you have raisins? Yes.
Can I see the bear again? Raisins. One last time. Are you guys being stingy about the bear?
She said you have raisins.
Why are you coming over here for my props?
Because I need an eye.
Can I get an eye? Sesame Street.
I need to see about the fish again.
Well, they're not showing us something then. Can I please see the bear again, Madam Producer? Oh, the eyes are down here. Okay.
I want to see the fish. Okay, I will need to see the fish mouth.
The problem with this, Madam Producer, is that in toasting the bread, what has invariably occurred is that the bread has become heme, the color of the raisins. So now the eye them are okay.
Yeah.
Have been obscured. Unless I can put it up a
Wait,
little
then the plate with the bank. No, I'm plating as I cut. Simone, she say you need to put it on your plate.
Here you go. There's your plate. Mine is finished.
You still need to see this a fish mouth here. Can you make the fish mouth turn upside down? Let me see it again.
I wonder if the Pegasus would like to invite us to offer some special.
Okay, got it. Wait, no man, them not finished yet. You know, see me.
Daily, I feel like you were supposed to cut your bread though, to make it more fish-like. Yeah, the body's supposed to.
I know. I'm gonna spin it around when I'm finished, dude.
It's now or never.
Of course, Simone.
My love will wait. Your fish don't shape
when I
so
turn it,
good.
my fish.
Tomorrow maybe it will wait. Oh, that's not bad, Delia. As Tammy Chin would say, that's not bad.
Yay!
That's not bad. That is the fish.
That is the
courtesy
fish.
of Chef Harris.
Let us now see the bear.
And now it's time for the toast bear.
It's time for the bear.
A la Chef Simone. Come, Chad, get the shot. As you can see, the bread is toasted. The banana serving as the eyes for
Tip it up
the
a
bear.
little bit, Simmy, so he can
Tip it up, but then my thing is gonna drop down. It's not. My name is too bad. Not no bad.
No, that's nice.
That's not bad. I'm gonna chew by my bread kind of him.
I said, no.
I must burn up.
Okay. Why am I going?
Are we through with this prop? Because
You want a picture for take for Jody?
Oh man, I was just gonna heat it. Tomorrow, maybe.
And if you can't make no more, just hand the child the banana and say, here, eat the banana.
My love. Masterpieces, both.
Tomorrow on Smile, factors used to determine the custody of children in reference to the Jody Ferran child case. Oh man.
My gosh.
And flying fashion, the biz of flying dresses.
Thought for today, take the time to sit, to breathe, and to feel, and to bring yourselves to a place of clarity. Clarity that will bring forth new insights for better tomorrows. That is from Joanna Alexopoulos.
Yes.
We're out of here.
We are.
It's now or never, guys.
We are.
Do the thing. It's Tuesday. Have a great one. And to wrap today's show, what are we doing, Delia?
We want to eat the sandwich, but we must wait.
Here again is a 27 Rewind performance. Delia's busy. From the Tivoli Dance Troupe with Folka Raid. Bye, everybody. Happy Tuesday.
Bye.
Maybe.